On fire alarm. I might pull the fire alarm for a fake emergency. Hogwarts fa 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 fa.
Oh no! It's the fire alarm. We better leave the building.
Why is the fire alarm going off?
I don't know, Agon. There might be a fire or something.
I don't know. I think this is fake. Someone pulled the fire alarm. Wait. Oh my god. Walter Peck. He was the last one in the building. After the fire drill, we will ground him. Walter Peck. We heard you pulled the fire alarm for a fake emergency. Is this true?
Fine. I'll tell you. I did pull the fire alarm, because I wanted to be funny.
Funny. Funny. You call an fake alarm funny? When the fire alarm goes off, we have to take them very seriously. Also, did you know pulling the fire alarm when there's no fire can get you in big trouble? That's so it. You're grounded till autumn. Go to your room. Now.